Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool mist model right here, and basically what this is an air freshener kit. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a whole set, and this one comes with a plug outlet. So if you guys want like the regular one that's not the plug outlet, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so right here they do provide you guys an installation guide to teach you guys how to install it and how to use it. And when you guys open up the product, you can see that that is basically what it looks like. So the one that we got right here, it comes with 6 refills and 2 plug outlets. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So they basically provide you guys 2 of these right here, and you guys get 6 of these right here. And all you guys need to do is open up this cap right here and insert it inside right here. Let me show you guys how to do it. So you're gonna open up this right here. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is basically what it looks like. So what you want to do now is insert it inside right here. So just like this, and push it all the way until it snaps in. Once it snaps in, then you guys are all set. And you just want to plug this into the outlet to activate it. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it all up. So this is basically where it actually come out when you guys activate the plug outlet to activate it. But even right now when we didn't plug it in, I can definitely smell that like strong scent already. The one that we got right here is a lavender aloe scent. They do have a lot of other ones available that you guys want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But I recommend going for this one right here because I love like lavender and aloe. So that is definitely a good blend together. And when you see in the back right here, you do have the option to turn this option right here. So if you guys want it stronger or weaker, you can definitely adjust it based on your own preference right there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go plug this in to show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So what we want to do is just plug this into an outlet. So normally I believe you're supposed to put this like straight up like this way. But since the one that we got right here is like this, I wanted to test it out to see when it actually works. So let's give it a try. So what I want to do is go like this and plug it in. Alright, so once we have it in, you guys can adjust it right here to turn it this way if you guys want it high, or turn it this way if you guys want it low. But basically once you guys set up the product, it should start working. But I don't think it's working too well because of the position right here. Let me actually bring this somewhere else to give you guys another point of view of the product to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so we got this in a different setting. Let's try it here. Alright, so we got it plugged in, but you can definitely see the way how we position here is much better than how we had it earlier, because now it can actually absorb like all the liquid in the bottom with the refills inside right here compared to when it's slanted. So you definitely want to make sure you guys have it positioned like this if you guys want to get the best performance out of the product right here. So I'll probably wait a little bit and then come back and check on it to see how it works and when it actually works. Alright, so it's been a few minutes that I actually plugged this on. It actually smells really good. Like literally the moment I open up the door, I can smell that strong like lavender scent. It actually smells really good. It definitely made like a huge difference compared to before I actually installed this in my room, which is definitely pretty nice. So the product definitely does work, especially if you guys turn it on max. If it's too high, you probably can turn it down, all the way down, so that way it actually lasts longer. But also when you guys feel the product right here, it definitely feels pretty warm, like especially this part right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Like literally the moment we actually plug in the actual product into like a wall outlet, you can definitely smell that like strong scent coming out like instantly, which is pretty awesome. So obviously for this product, it's super convenient and super useful, especially if you guys are living somewhere where it has a lot of odor, or if it has like a weird smell that you just don't like, then this is definitely super useful in those scenarios. A lot of time people use these in like their closet, the bathroom, the living room, or even in the bedroom as well. So wherever you guys decide to use it, that is up to you guys, but that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing of the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make your room smell a lot more fresher, then you definitely want to get any kind of air freshener that's very similar to this one right here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.